EastEnders star Cheryl Fergison has called out airlines over their way of addressing people who are a little bit larger and might need a seatbelt extender. Taking to her Instagram account, Cheryl shared her thoughts on seatbelt extenders in view of her 42,100 followers. The actress emphasized the need for airline staff to help people feel more comfortable and less embarrassed when they need a seatbelt extender. She said, "The staff seeing that someone might be a little bit larger, you should know your plane by now. And you should know whether somebody needs an extra thing, seatbelt extender, so they don't have to buzz for it or do those things that they sometimes feel a bit embarrassed about asking because it's drawing attention to themselves." Cheryl continued, "When you see somebody who you know won't fit into your plane seats, give them the extra bit of belt as they come on. Help them out, it's not fair." The 56-year-old had logged onto the social media platform earlier to discuss body shaming. The Heather Trott star went on to complain about the lack of clothing options for plus-sized women in shops. She said, "This has happened all my life, as you know I've always been a big girl. I have lost a bit of weight recently but I can go up and down, I'm a bit of a yo-yoer. You know what's really peeing me off? Is shops selling plus-size clothing, and they stick the plus-size clothing in the corner at the back with a really small collection, making people feel uncomfortable." Cheryl recently opened up about her excitement to have been asked to be part of the Mullingar Pride, taking on the role of host during the celebrations. The TV star, who is set to take the stage later tonight, shared a statement to thank the event organizers for asking her to take part in the event. She shared a series of pictures showcasing different corners of the town, which had been decorated with the rainbow flag. Cheryl captioned the snaps, "It's the beautiful town of Mullingar ready for its first at Mullingar Pride and I am so proud to have been asked to host this spectacular event. Thank you all in advance for coming to support this important event and show the LGBTQ community that together events like these make a difference and that celebrating who you are is key to helping educate for the future." The actress went on to praise the heroes making a change as she called on those attending the festivities to be proud. She continued, "I can't wait to see all your beautiful faces as the sun shines, the music flows and the entertainment is fantastic. You all are heroes with incredible voices of change and celebration. Be proud, loud, strong and stand side by side united and rich in celebration. Sick.